Education is a game changer. Better education leads to bigger dreams and brighter lives. So what makes education impactful? Research has proved that teacher quality is the single most critical factor that impacts student learning. But right now in India, students and teachers in smaller cities and towns are denied access to high-quality educational tools and training. So who's doing anything about making great educational resources accessible to everyone?
We are!
We are Learning Matters, and we are here to revolutionize teaching and learning. We have created a unique quartet of tools to equip and empower teachers and improve student learning outcomes. What is in our quartet of tools? First, our Star Teacher program.
Students learn in different ways, so it becomes critical for teachers to understand this and adapt their teaching style accordingly so that their students can learn better. Our Star Teacher program does exactly this.
We teach teachers effective teaching techniques which makes their classes more student-centric. We also ensure that the students become responsible for their own learning.
We equip teachers with the best teaching strategies to create a positive learning atmosphere.
Star Teacher program ಇದೆ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ 12 to 15 ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಸ್ தெரிஞ்சிருக்கோம்.
ಚಂದಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಷನ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿನೂ ಆಯಿತು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ಇದೇನೋ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇಗನೆ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಡಿಮೆ.
The Star Teacher program makes every teacher a star. So that's our first tool. What's the second, you ask? She can introduce herself.
Welcome to Tara.
Meet Tara, our cloud-based NLP-powered virtual voice teacher. Tara is a unique and pioneering software that can play the role of a human teacher, teaching almost anything. For example, Tara can teach English. She corrects mistakes, provides feedback, and helps practice conversation.
Well, that is not quite correct. The correct answer is, I have long hair.
Tara is a teaching machine, completely scalable, highly affordable. She improves retention because she engages learners one-on-one. Tara is a whole new way of learning.
That's 2 out of our 4 tools. What's the third? Well, in order to support teachers in becoming better educators, we had to think out of the box. So we made a box. The Star Teacher Toolbox contains educational goodies that teachers can use to explain and demonstrate concepts better in the classroom.
It encourages students to interact with and experiment with concepts. It's really simple to use and promotes collaboration between teachers and students. It makes classroom learning more student-centric, relatable, interesting and fun. Unbox learning.
Children, how did you feel today? ಹೇಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
That's the toolbox. So what's left? Kangan is the final piece of the puzzle.
It is a ready-made repository of knowledge for the whole school. A cloud-based centralized hub that comes with educational content pre-filled with videos, quizzes and summaries of concepts.
But is this learning goodness aligned to any syllabus? Yes, of course. Everything in Kangan is aligned to all major Indian syllabi. Moreover, every concept is accessible as video, audio, and even text in English and regional languages such as Tamil and Kannada. And it doesn't end there.
If teachers find something interesting online, they can add it to Kangan and grow their library.
Kangan powers learning. So what is the impact of all these tools?
Based on our analysis, we have found there is a tremendous shift in the way teachers teach in the classrooms. They are moving away from rote learning methods to activity and inquisitive-based methods.
Learning has become a lot more fun. Students show a lot of enthusiasm and responsibility in the way they participate in learning.
With tools like these, teachers and students are empowered.
Students learn better, learn more, absorb knowledge more quickly, and become better equipped to follow their dreams in our ever-evolving world.
This is our bit to improve the future of education in India because learning matters.